Our sun, like all stars, goes through a life cycle. Currently, it's in the prime of its life, busily fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. This process, known as nuclear fusion, releases an immense amount of energy, bathing our planet in warmth and light and making life as we know it possible. But, as with all things in the cosmos, this phase won't last forever. Eventually the sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel, and then it'll begin to evolve. Its core will shrink, its outer layers will expand, and it'll grow hotter and brighter. This transition marks the start of the sun's red giant phase. It's during this phase that the sun will truly begin to flex its cosmic muscles, swelling to a size so great that it could engulf the inner planets, Earth included. This phase will mark the beginning of a dramatic transformation. Earth's fate during the red giant phase is not pleasant. Picture this. Our sun, now a red giant, swelling to such an enormous size that it engulfs the inner planets. The Earth, once teeming with life, finds itself in the midst of a cosmic inferno. The intense heat from the expanded sun boils our oceans away, transforming our blue planet into a desolate, parched wasteland. But the torment doesn't end there. The sun, in its red giant phase, emits powerful solar winds. These winds, much stronger and more intense than anything we experience today, strip away Earth's atmosphere. Without its protective shield, our planet is left exposed to the harshness of space. This is not a quick and merciful end, but a slow, agonizing one. Over the course of a few million years, Earth is reduced to a scorched, barren rock, devoid of life. It's a cosmic doomsday for our home planet. But what about the grand finale? As our sun exhausts its nuclear fuel, it will enter its final act, shedding its outer layers in a brilliant spectacle known as a planetary nebula. This is not an explosion, but more of a celestial fireworks display, as the sun's outer layers are ejected into space, creating a stunning cloud of gas and dust. The heart of the sun, now a dense core, remains behind. This is the white dwarf, a celestial body about the size of our Earth, but with a mass akin to that of the sun. It's an incredibly dense object, glowing with the residual heat from its previous life as a star. This white dwarf will continue to cool and fade over billions of years, a ghostly reminder of the sun's former glory. However, this isn't the end of the story. The sun is not massive enough to undergo a supernova explosion. This might come as a surprise, considering the significant role our sun plays in our lives. But in the grand cosmic scheme, our sun is just an average star. After it has shed its outer layers and morphed into a planetary nebula, it leaves behind a dense core, called a white dwarf. Now this white dwarf doesn't just disappear into the night, it embarks on a slow, steady journey of cooling and fading away. Picture a once roaring fireplace reduced to smoldering embers that gradually lose their glow over time. This process will take billions of years. In this sense, the sun's grand finale is more of a prolonged, stately exit rather than an explosive goodbye. The question remains, however, but what about the rest of the solar system? What becomes of the planets and other celestial bodies that once orbited this now fading star? Let's find out. Without the sun's gravitational influence, the remaining planets will embark on new paths through the galaxy. This dramatic shift in dynamics could lead to a myriad of possibilities. The outer gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn may drift off into the vast expanse of the cosmos, becoming rogue planets. On the other hand, the inner terrestrial planets, including Mars and Venus, could be caught in the gravitational pull of other stars, thus joining new solar systems. Some might be ejected into interstellar space, while others could be captured by passing stars. So there you have it, folks, the incredible and somewhat grim fate of our solar system when the sun decides to go out with a bang, or more accurately, a cosmic whimper. We've journeyed through the life cycle of a star, witnessed the fiery death of Earth, and glimpsed the future of our wandering planets. If this cosmic voyage sparked your curiosity, don't be shy to hit that like button. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments section. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.